Yo, what up? What's happening, everybody? This is Shannon King coming to you live here from Brooklyn, New York, USA. And I've got an idea for you guys. It's kind of a basic idea, but it's also something that came out of necessity because I needed, and this happened during New York Fashion Week, no joke. I needed a smaller iron and I didn't have it, so I just used my fingers. And now we call these the finger curls. You're gonna work with playable texture, right? Make sure that you spray that on liberally so that the hair gets almost wet. Wrap it around your finger like so. Then, look, get your finger out. Hold the curl vertical. Get your amazing Varus iron ready. And then check this out. Look, make your finger curls. So all you're gonna do is then just push the curl into the flat iron. So this happened because you know what? I didn't have the right iron size. Ever happened to you? So check this out. You can make the iron size that you need. Take it out. Look, let it cool. I've done a bunch of them already. And then, boing, done, done, and done. Finger through these, like so. Give me a little spray, because we love it. And look, you can make anything happen in this hair. Just with your fingers, your KMS tools, product, and your incredible Varus tools. Having fun with this, check it out. There we go. So these are the finger curls. It's a basic idea, it's a basic thing, but you can make it whatever you want to at any time. I know this is a tough time for a lot of people, and trust me, being here in Brooklyn, New York, it is the worst place, trust me. But we're all gonna share, we're all gonna get through this together, guys, and just know that KMS, Goldwell, we're all here, Cal, we're all here for you guys, all right? So look, here's just a fun idea that I want to share with you. Hopefully you have fun with it. Try it out. We'll see you soon.